I am Emily Lynn, and I'm a senior vocal performance major. As an aspiring opera singer, I feel very prepared for my next big step because of opera workshops where we get to learn complete opera roles, as well as master classes where people with experience singing professional opera come in and they hear us sing and they give us pointers. We can ask questions not just about singing, but about their lifestyle, what it's like traveling, what it's like balancing family, everyday life with performing. And what's unique is I felt like these were personal experiences with the professionals because I wasn't lost in a sea of other students. I was one of maybe 10 other students. It felt much more individualized for me. As a first year at Manchester, I auditioned for opera workshop and I received a principal role. After looking at other schools, realizing that normally you have to be at least a senior, normally a master's student to even be considered for something like this, I was honored in a way because the character that I had was on the stage the entire time. I felt much more motivated to be at my 100%. After this year at Manchester, I plan to go to grad school and pursue a master's in vocal performance, eventually singing opera, and I couldn't feel more prepared thanks to opportunities Manchester University has given me.